Yes, I have stopped using face wash on my face ever since I started using this product. Yes, this product is Forever's Aloe Liquid Soap. It's a naturally derived formula that retains the moisture. I have tried many different types of face washes, but whenever I use one of them, right, my skin felt so different, as if all the moisture have been stripped away. My skin would become very dry, rough. But ever since I started using this product, Aloe Liquid Soap, it's been a different story. Honestly, from now on, whenever I use it, I'll only use Aloe Liquid Soap. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about what's in this product. You can use this product from head to toe. As many people say that soap should only be used on the face but not in the body. But yes, this product you can easily use on the face as well as on the body. Even the company also claims that you can use it from head to toe, whether it is for children, whether it's for old people, anyone can use this product. You will see for yourself a different freshness, a different smell, because it contains coconut, bee propolis and aloe vera. So it's truly an amazing product. I have been using this for a long time and has been out of stock for quite some time. And if you want to become fair, I won't say that you will become very fair if you are very dark, but still you will start to see a different glow on your face. The main reason I started using this product is that it's the moisturizer. It feels like there's no need to apply any cream after using this product. Yes, an automatic moisturizer comes onto our skin, which feels very soothing. Many people in my team are using it. It also gives very good results. If any lady, if any girl and uses this, she removes all other face washes and uses only this face wash. So if you also love your skin, love your body and are passionate about personal care and skincare, then definitely keep Aloe Liquid Soap in your personal care kit because it gives a very good soothing effect. Along with that, you can use it as a face wash anytime. There won't be any problem. So if you want a pimple-free skin on your face, definitely bring this product to your home once. Use it for the whole family. It's very good and it will last at least 2 years. I use it for both face and body. Definitely try it once and see the great results you will get. One more thing, if you wanted to order this product first, then see how the original product looks. Along with that, you should have this this barcode here. You should have this barcode, so whenever you buy this product from anywhere, right, I would say you should only buy it from FBO, that is Forever Business Owners like me. There are a lot of Forever Business Owners. If you buy from them, you will definitely get the original product and you will also get the original bill. So you can also check with the original bill because the company claims that if you don't like the product, there's a 30 days money back guarantee. Yes, within 30 days, you can return the product. You can return the seal pack product and you can take back your full money if you have the original bill. If you don't have the original bill, you cannot claim from the company. The company says bring the original bill because they check the serial number. So if you wanted to make this product your own, try it once, use it in your personal kit once, then definitely contact us. You must be seeing the contact information in the description below. You can contact me if you need more information on this. Okay, so I am using this product and I hope you will use it too. You won't be able to leave this product in your personal care kit because it gives such a refreshing feeling you have used it once. One more thing, please subscribe to this channel because such amazing videos keep coming on this channel. We deliver it all over the world. You can contact me whenever you want. I wanted to caution you that don't ever buy from any e-commerce websites like Amazon or Flipkart, as you may receive duplicate or near expiry products and you won't be able to claim them from Forever as it goes against Forever policies. If you like this video and found the information valuable, please share with others and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, take care and I will see you in my next video.